looking for ways to save time and grow your business with AI. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for business, from creating content and responding to customers to brainstorming ideas and improving productivity. So let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT website or mobile app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, click New Chat to begin a business-related conversation. Before asking a question, clearly explain what you're trying to accomplish. Mention your business type, your target audience, and your objective. Whether you need marketing ideas, customer support responses, or help planning a project, detailed prompts usually lead to better results. ChatGPT can help you create many types of business content. You can generate blog posts, email newsletters, product descriptions, social media captions, meeting agendas, presentations, and much more. You can also ask it to rewrite existing content in a different tone. You can also use ChatGPT to draft professional customer emails, answer frequently asked questions, write support responses, or create polite replies for difficult situations. Always review the final message to make sure it matches your company's voice and the specific situation. If you're stuck on a challenge, ask ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. It can suggest marketing campaigns, business names, product features, content calendars, sales strategies, or ways to improve your workflow. The more context you provide, the more relevant the suggestions will be. ChatGPT can also help organize information. You can ask it to summarize meeting notes, create action plans, organize research, draft project outlines, or turn long documents into easy-to-read summaries. This can save valuable time during your workday. Before sharing business content with customers or your team, review everything carefully. Verify important facts, update any company-specific details, and make sure the final version reflects your brand and business goals. ChatGPT is a powerful assistant, but your final review is still essential, and that's how to use ChatGPT for business. Whether you're creating content, improving communication, organizing projects, or generating new ideas, ChatGPT can help you work more efficiently every day. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and thanks for watching.